Hi friends, my name is Emily and welcome to my YouTube channel. I recently started an Etsy shop. I sell stickers and digital bullet journals, digital planners, printables, different kinds of trackers, so go check it out if you have a chance. So today I figured I would show you how I make my stickers. I didn't have a lot of money starting out, still don't really have a lot of money, but I did have enough to buy a Cricut Joy to cut out my stickers with. I figured I would show you how I do it since you're not really supposed to cut out stickers with the Cricut Joy. When I was going around and trying to figure out what I kind of wanted to get, I saw the Cricuts were like super expensive and I just didn't have the money for it. So I decided to go with the Cricut Joy, and I wish I had a video or somewhere, a blog telling me how to use it, because it's not really made for what I wanted to do, but I kind of figured out my own system. So if you don't have a lot of money and you want to make stickers, start a shop, and you want to buy the Cricut Joy to make stickers, this is the best way I kind of figured out how to do it, even though it's super frustrating. There's just so much trial and error, and I figured if I could help you out in any way possible, then I'm going to try to. Let's get into it.
So the problem with the Cricut Joy is that you can't print directly from the Cricut program. You have to print from another source, either Pages or Google Docs or whatever, but that means that it's hard to line up the paper to cut it the way you want. See how when I put the sticker in, it doesn't stay the same size, and then you have to reposition it, and there's no guarantee that it's gonna line up when you go to cut it. So I'm gonna show you how I maneuver this problem. Alright, so here's a sticker I want to use. I'm going to take off the background and then go create a new canvas. So I'm going to make the canvas width 4 and the height 10.5. I'm going to switch the unit to inches, and this is because the Cricut Joy can only have up to 4.5 inches in width. So we're going to make it 4 inches by 10.5, and that's what it's going to look like. So size consistency is really important because when we go to print out our stickers, we want the cut to be in the right place. This step is going to make your life so much easier. I'm going to create a box around the whole canvas by putting lines along the edges. Alright, so after I exported that to my computer, I'm going to put the image into the Cricut program. I usually just select complex because why not? And then I'm going to tap out all the white part, so only the outline is showing. I'm going to add that into a new project, and then put the width at 4, make it a draw, make it, and then what I'm going to do is just put the mat in so it draws on the mat, and then I know where to place my paper. If I didn't do that, then it doesn't line up perfectly, so this way I can line it up perfectly so when I go to cut my stickers, it'll cut where I want it to.
Hopefully this focuses. I hope you can see the lines on the sheet.
After that, we're going to go back to our sticker without a background and then copy it and paste. Then I'm going to resize the sticker to the size I want, and I'm going to make sure that the sticker isn't touching the boxes that I just made. And then once I have the size I want, I'm going to copy and paste again from the same document to keep the same size of the sticker. If you want different sizes or even different stickers on the canvas, go for it. Since we created the box, anything you put in here will be the same size. I'm just making a bunch of the same sticker, so that's why I'm copying and pasting. Now once you feel like you're done, we're going to take this and airdrop it to my computer. Make sure that it doesn't have a background, that the background is unchecked. After the one without a background is on your computer, we're going to go back in and then add a background. You can choose any color you want as long as it doesn't blend into the sticker or your box. And then you airdrop that to your computer as well. Now that I have that on my computer, I'm going to put it into a dock. Without the background, so I can print it and it won't have an orange background on it. And then I'm gonna click arrange and make it the size I want.
I cut it out, I printed it out, I'm ready to put it on the mat and get to cutting. Just so you know, this big mat doesn't come with the Cricut Joy. This little mat does. I had no idea how this worked before I got it. But what you do, it comes with this, like, I've used it a lot so it's a little dirty. But it's come with this plastic covering. You rip off the plastic covering and the mat itself is sticky. I cut it out, I printed it out. I'm ready to put it on the mat and get to cutting.
Alright, so here you can see me lining up the box around my stickers, lining it up to the box I made on my mat, so it is perfect. And then I'm going to insert the image with the orange background and cut out the orange background so it doesn't cut out that, and then put it into a new project. Then I'm going to make this image the same length and width as I did in the Google Doc, so it lines up. And it doesn't really matter where you put it, it's just going to redo it when you press make it. I choose on the mat. And then we're going to cut.
And now we have to pay attention because after it cuts the last sticker, we're gonna pause it and then cancel it so it doesn't cut the outline out as well. We have our die cut stickers, it worked really well, I'm so happy. We have our die cut stickers. I know that was so much information. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad you guys watched this whole video. Visit my Etsy shop if you haven't. These are gonna be on sale there, so you can buy one of those. And I also have digital bullet journals, trackers, stuff like that. So subscribe, leave a comment, and maybe I'll make another video soon. Bye!